Here I have XIAOMI 12T, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, and when you adjust a normal photo mode, all you need to do is to just swipe shutter button right, just like this, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it out. So as you can see right now, I took like 31 shot. By going to gallery and tapping on this icon here, we can review all these shots and select the one that fits us best and delete others which we don't really like. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.